In today's digital landscape, distinguishing between AI-generated and traditional artwork can be challenging due to the prevalence of AI images. To identify AI creations, start by considering the platform where the image is posted. Dedicated AI sites usually feature AI-generated content. Check captions for mentions of AI tools, review user profiles for indications of AI focus, and analyze hashtags for keywords like AI art. Pay attention to features, as AI often struggles with details like eyes and hands. Examine clothing for unnatural blending or impractical designs, and evaluate lighting and shading. AI may produce inconsistent lighting and lack the layered effect typical of human artistry. Lastly, inspect the lines. AI images may have blended outlines or nonsensical connections. By applying these strategies, you can better discern between AI and traditional art.